Hi everyone, good morning. Hope you have an amazing day. It's Milan. Today am I gonna take away with the kids? Just take a look here, guys. He's trying to jump from the over the river. He's climbing from the branch, and some kisses are down. Take a look, guys. It's very interesting. This is Tarzan. Take a look, guys. So interesting. This is the rivers and this is the bridge. Take a look, guys. This is thumpa. This is Sumai. He's trying to swing with the rope like Tarzan. You're gonna see. Tarzan only. Thumpa Tarzan. Oh, thumpa Tarzan. This is Tarzan son. He's going to Tarzan right now. The ropes. Take a look, guys. This is thumpa. He's trying to swim from high mountain. This is Brahmaputra river. Is going to flood right now. Oh, Tarzan. Going. I'm right here, guys. They're playing tournament here. We don't have a field. This is the field, guys. Take a look here. Oh, this is rice. We call my. This is the paddy. Oh, very interesting, guys. Wow, there is one kid and she look thumpa. Oh, thumpa get the ball right now. Here with me Doraemon laughing. Here Sumais is running. Take a look, guys. Oh my god, what is interesting. Oh, finally here. This is Khasok and Shilok and Boyarpa and Thumpa. They're playing interestingly. And you can see the weather. It's sunny today. You can get sunburn here if you long time it's gonna be burned with the sun. Take a look. This is the view, guys. This is that is floor we are taking by here for well. So thank you very much for watching this vlog. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You subscribe. Thanks for watching.